In a moment, I will be exposing the revenue that YouTube has paid me for my most viral video, and I'll also be exposing my secret to how I did it. Hey Moneymaker, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. And it's no secret that my channel is monetized and I get paid from YouTube to create videos. But the question is, how much do YouTubers like myself and even bigger channels actually make on this platform? And the short answer is it kind of depends on the type of content that you create. So before I show you the revenue that I've made for my most viral video, which had 1.5 million views, let me break down how YouTube actually pays you. So first of all, there are two ways that YouTube measures how much they will pay a creator. So there's something called CPM and RPM. CPM is the cost per 1,000 ad impressions before YouTube gets their revenue share. And RPM is the total revenue after YouTube's revenue share per 1,000 views. So YouTube pays you 55% of the revenue and they keep 45% of it. So your CPM can be as little as $1 and as high as $80, or maybe a little bit more depending on the type of channel that you have. So financial channels get paid a whole lot more than entertainment channels. So no content creators revenue actually looks the same. It's all based on the type of audience you have, the type of content that you put out, how long people are watching your content. So by no means is my revenue going to match another content creator's revenue, because it kind of all varies. Like, there is no average of what YouTube is paying out. It all depends on your content. So with that being said, how much am I actually getting paid for my most viral video? Okay, so here we have my channel. I have 162,000 subscribers. Overall, my total views on this channel, my lifetime total views, is 5.06 million with 86 videos. And in the last 7 days, 365,000 views. And I posted 3 videos in the last 30 days. Now again, me having only 86 videos on my platform is not going to be the same for everybody. Some people, it takes 100 videos before they start to see some real revenue coming in. So every creator's analytics is going to look a little bit different. So let's jump here and focus in on one video, which is my highest viewed video ever. You can see this video that I posted on March 23rd, 2022, which was a few months ago. Has gained over 1.4, almost 1.5 million views, and that was the website paying $100 per hour. So just to show you what my CPM for this particular video is, and that's not the CPM for every video I've created. It is different across almost each and every video, which is $47 per 1,000 views, or per 1,000 ad impressions. And then what I actually get paid out is $26 per 1,000 views or per 1,000 ad impressions. And that all resulted in $37,817 for one video. Now, like I said, every video is going to pay a bit different. So I'm not averaging that on every video whatsoever. This is one of my highest paying videos, of course, because it has the most views. And you can see the steady progression of this video. Now you're going to see this dip here, which happened in October, which then gained me like $7,000 pretty quickly. Was because a random article posted about this video and it brought a lot of traffic to this video. I did not pay the article to write about me, but I am grateful that they did, because I was able to accumulate like $1,600 in that one day. Now, typically this video is paying me about $20 in passive income every day. The highest was that day that the article posted about me, and I got $73 from this one video that day. But that then trickled down into other videos, and overall for that one particular day, I got paid like $1,600. This is just me exposing what I made off of this one viral video. Now, YouTube is definitely not the only way to make passive income. So if you want some money making ideas, make sure that you check out these next videos.